Governor, I need a full set rep.
Governor, I'm getting reports of some kind of explosion in the Sally Port. It's taken the entire East Wing, including mission.
This is the Governor. Alert emergency services. All officers initiate cold orange evacuation. Just make sure.
All emergency exits are released. Go through. Let's go. You okay?
Yeah, fucking Connors was right.
Right, keep going through. Get everyone to the main muster point, okay? Alright. You walk? Okay. Use the south corridor, okay?
Officer Dan. He's been... Shit. And unlock the freaking gate!
Shit, maybe the whole thing's been shorted out.
Oh, I just got knocked up. I'm not fucking losing everything now. Hey.
Hey, you deserve it!
Help us!
Help us!
We're stuck here! Hey, I'm in here! I need help! I'm in here!
Anyone else?
Somebody open the door and get me the fuck out of here! Hey!
Fuck you. See, what the fuck happened?
Oh, they reckon it's a bomb went off.
A bomb?
Half the fucking prison's gone.
What do you mean gone?
Have you seen Rita?
Nah.
What about Ali? No. Hey. You gotta go get an officer and get us out of here, okay?
Okay. Hey. Zero Doctor's here too. Vera, are you hearing me? Hey, where's Vera?
I don't know.
Have you seen Vera?
No.
She was on her way to the exec level.
There is no executive.
to find the paperwork. I filed it this morning. This filing system is a disaster.
What paperwork?
What do you mean, what paperwork? Judy Bryant's court transfer.
And we have to get out. The building's being evacuated.
Got Brian's name on it and my signature.
What are you talking about?
We had to let the bomb in, Vera. We had to. We had to tie the whole thing to Judy Bryant.
You let the bomb in.
Where is it? Where is it?
Anne! What? You let this happen? People are dead. Innocent people.
Judy Bryant planted this bomb. She killed my daughter. She has to pay.
Judy Bryant is over there. And she is dead.
She's dead. Bryant's dead. You can't tell anyone.
Tell anyone!